Here is how to disable Gemini on Android completely. Gemini isn't just an app on your phone. It answers your power button, it responds to your voice, and it sits on your lock screen. There's no single off switch, but a few settings shut it all down, and I'll walk you through each one. I'm on a Google Pixel, but these steps work on most Android phones, Samsung included. First, open the Gemini app. Tap the two lines in the top left. Tap your profile picture at the bottom. And go into Settings. You'll do most of this from right here. Switch 1. Stop Gemini being your assistant. In Settings, scroll down to Digital Assistants from Google and tap it. You'll see two choices, Gemini and Google Assistant. Tap Google Assistant, tap Switch on the pop-up to confirm. That alone takes Gemini off your voice and your power button. If you'd rather have no assistant at all, go to your phone's settings instead. Tap Apps, then tap Default Apps, then tap Digital Assistant app and set it to None. Switch 2. Lock down the power button directly. Still in your phone's settings, scroll down to System and tap it. Then tap Gestures. At the bottom, tap Press and Hold Power button. Change it from Digital Assistant to Power menu. Now a long press brings up your power options instead of an AI. Switch 3. Kill the voice trigger. Back in Gemini's settings, scroll down to Talk to Gemini hands-free and tap it. On the next screen, turn off the Hey Google switch, then tap Turn Off to confirm. Now, saying it won't wake anything up. Switch 4. Remove the app itself. But before you do, one quick stop while the app's still here. In Gemini's settings, scroll to Gemini on lock screen and turn off Use Gemini without unlocking, so it can't sit on your lock screen. Then go to your phone's settings, tap Apps, then see All Apps. Find Gemini in the list and tap it. Then tap Uninstall. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Tap Uninstall again. On my Pixel, it comes off cleanly. If your phone only shows Disable instead, tap that. It's baked in and can't be fully removed, but disabled means dormant. Now, here's the genie tip nobody tells you about. Uninstalling Gemini doesn't delete a thing you've already typed. Every past conversation is still saved to your Google account, sitting there whether the app's on your phone or not. Getting rid of the app and wiping your history are two completely separate jobs. I covered the wipe in my video on stopping Gemini from saving your conversations, on screen now. That's it. If this helps, subscribe. I drop these every week. See you in the next one.